In this video, I'm teaching you ready-made phrases that Americans use all the time. They are considered to be chunks. It's like a group of words that native speakers commonly use together as one unit of meaning. I mean, instead of learning individual word, what you should be doing is to use ready-made phrases so that you can speak in any conversation. Because English is not translated word by word. You should be willing to learn ready-made phrases that Americans use all the time. Okay? So with that being said, so let's get started. Expression number one is as far as I know. As far as I know. C'est pour dire à ma connaissance. As far as I know. For example, as far as I know, the meeting starts at 9. As far as I know, the meeting starts at 9. Okay? As far as I know, à ma connaissance. As far as I know, the meeting starts at 9. Very good. Expression number two, as a matter of fact. 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 As a matter of fact means en fait. Sometimes people say in fact, actually. Very good. For example, as a matter of fact, I already knew that. As a matter of fact, I already knew that. As a matter of fact, as a matter of fact, I already knew that. You guys understand. Very good. Expression number three, come to think of it. Come to think of it. Meaning that maintenant que j'y pense, come to think of it. For example, come to think of it, I haven't seen her today. Come to think of it, I haven't seen her today. But one thing you should mention here, haven't seen is the present perfect negative form. I have not seen, I haven't seen. I haven't seen her today. I haven't seen her today. Yeah, come to think of it, I haven't seen her today. Right? They're actually ready-made phrases that you guys can use in your daily conversation. Expression number four, now that you mention it, 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 maintenant que tu le dis, now that you mention it. For example, now that you mention it, I remember his name. Now that you mention it, I remember his name. Let's say that you forgot something and someone reminds you of it. It's like, now that you mention it, I remember his name. Okay? It seems like you forget his name and someone reminds you of it. Okay? Now that you mention it, I remember his name. So now let's go, guys. Expression number five, believe it or not. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. I mean, que tu le crois ou non. Believe it or not. For example, believe it or not, I've never been to New York. I have never been. You see now, I say been. I don't say been, but I say been. Believe it or not, I have never been to New York. I've never been to New York. Very good. Expression number six, to be honest. To be honest, like to be honest. To be honest is like the sound you listen is like to be honest. To be honest. To be honest means pour être honnête in French is what we say. For example, to be honest, I don't like it. It's like to be frank or to be quite honest. Oftentimes, so we say things like that. Yeah, to be quite honest or to be honest. To be honest. To be honest, I don't like it. I just want to be honest with you. I don't like it. Yes, I don't like it. I don't like it. To be honest, to be frank, okay? To be honest, to be quite honest about that, I don't like it. Okay, guys. Expression number seven, if I am not mistaken. So if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not mistaken, si je ne me trompe pas. So if I'm not mistaken, okay? For example, if I'm not mistaken, she's from Canada. If I am not mistaken, she's from Canada. You see the pronunciation? Canada. Je ne dis pas Canada, like Canada. Very good. So, if I am not mistaken, she's from Canada. Okay, guys? So, if I am not mistaken, si je ne me trompe pas. Okay? So, if I'm not mistaken. Very good. Expression number eight. The way I see it. The way I see it is like when you're giving your opinion about something. The way I see it, for example, à mon avis, the way I see it, we should leave now. The way I see it. The way I see it is like you're giving your opinion. In my opinion, okay, the way I see it, from my perspective, the way I see it, we should leave now. Okay? So the way I see it, in my opinion, so we should leave now. So we should leave now. Very good. Expression number 9, at first glance. Okay? At first glance, à première vue, at first glance. Okay? So at first glance, it looks expensive. Okay? At first glance, it looks expensive. It looks expensive. Je dis look, look, looks, it looks. Ce n'est pas look comme ça, non, c'est it looks. It looks expensive. À première vue, ça allait cher, hein? It looks expensive. So at first glance. Okay, guys. Expression number 10. 1 second thought. 1 second thought. It's like when you're adding something. En y repensant, for example, 1 second thought, I'll stay home. So 1 second thought, I'll stay home. Okay? So I have to think about that another time, man. So 1 second thought, I'll stay home. En y repensant, bon, je vais rester à la maison. You understand? So I'll stay home. I'll stay. I will. La forme réduite, ça devient I'll. I'll stay home. I'll stay. I'll stay home. You guys understand. Expression number 11, needless to say. When something is obvious, it's like you don't have to think about it. It's clear. Is that needless to say? For example, needless to say, everyone was surprised. Needless to say, everyone was surprised. For example, inutile de dire que tout le monde était surpris. Needless to say. Needless to say. So you don't have to say that. It's clear. It's vivid. Okay? So needless to say, everyone was surprised. So you guys understand. Expression number 12. For what it's worth. For what it's worth. Now listen. For what it's worth. Worth. Very good. Pour ce que ça vaut, for what it's worth, I think you made the right choice. For what it's worth, I think you made the right choice. Now I say choice. 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 Very good. For what it's worth, I think you made the right choice. Very good. Expression number 13. The fact of the matter is, the fact of the matter is, the fact of the matter is, we don't have enough money. Yeah. The reality is, the truth is, the fact of the matter is, le fait est que, la réalité c'est que, la vérité c'est que, the fact of the matter is, we don't have enough money. Oftentimes people say, the thing is, okay, the thing is, the point is, the thing is, the point is, I don't have money. The thing is, the point is. So expression number 14. When it comes to, quand il s'agit de, so when it comes to cooking, she's the best. When it comes to cooking, my mother is the best. When it comes to cooking, she's the best. When it comes to cooking. After when it comes to, you got a verb in ing. When it comes to cooking, when it comes to driving, when it comes to teaching, okay? When it comes to, very good. Expression number 15. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. C'est-à-dire, il ne fait aucun doute, il y a aucun doute, okay? There is no doubt that, okay, guys, so here, what you need to understand, you're not going to let it be here, remain silent. There's no doubt. It's like, it is not doubt, no. There's no doubt that, okay? There is no doubt that he's talented. He's talented. Talented is like talented, yes. Talented, yes, very good. So there's no doubt that he's talented. So il ne fait aucun doute qu'il est talentueux. So there's no doubt that he's talented. Okay? So now let's go, guys. Expression number 16. That being said, oftentimes American will say with that being said. So they may add something like with. With that being said, it's like with that being said, cela dit, that being said, for example, that being said, we still need more information. Yeah, that being said, we still need more information. Information. Very good. That being said, we still need more information. Okay, guys. So expression number 17. All things considered. Tout bien considéré. So all things considered, it was a good decision. All things considered, it was a good decision. It is not good comme ça, but it is like good. Okay, it was a good decision. It was a good. So all things considered, it was a good decision. You guys understand, right? Expression number 18. Pour dire en fin de compte, en anglais, we say at the end of the day. Okay, at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, it's like at the end of the day. Voilà le son que vous entendez, c'est at the end of the day. So at the end of the day. At the end of the day. Okay, at the end of the day, your health matters most. Yeah, your health is your priority. Oftentimes we say that. Your health matters, okay? Your health matters a lot, okay? Because at the end of the day, your health matters most. You may have money, you have cars, houses, you can travel, but the most important thing is your health. It's like at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is your health. Yes. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is your health. OK? La seule chose qui compte, the only thing that matters, la seule chose qui compte, c'est ta santé. The only thing that matters is your health. OK, guys. Expression number 19. One way or another. One way or another. One way or another. Meaning that d'une manière ou d'une autre. One way or another. One way or another will solve the problem. One way or another. D'une façon ou d'une autre, one way or another will solve that problem or will solve the problem. One way or another. D'une manière ou d'une autre, nous résoudrons le problème. So one way or another will solve the problem. Okay? Expression number 20, which is the last one, sooner or later. Sooner or later. C'est pour dire tôt ou tard. Sooner or later. For example, sooner or later, you'll succeed. Sooner or later, you'll succeed, okay? Tôt ou tard, tu réussiras, okay? Sooner or later, you'll succeed. C'était 20 expressions clés, mesdames et messieurs, que vous devez maîtriser si vous voulez parler anglais en toute confiance. N'oubliez pas, en anglais, vous devez apprendre en chunks, c'est-à-dire groupe de mots. Vous apprenez l'anglais en expression, pas un mot isolé. Sinon, vous n'allez pas comprendre les natifs. OK, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. Merci de regarder cette vidéo. C'était bien votre frère Teacher Curlin. I expect to see you in just another video. So stay focused. Et si vous voulez pratiquer l'anglais en temps réel, retrouvez ma communauté sur teachercurlin.com et c'est là que vous allez apprendre à parler anglais en toute confiance. Vous parlez, vous faites des erreurs, je vous corrige, vous avancez. Le lien est dans la description. N'hésitez pas à cliquer sur le lien pour commencer à parler anglais en toute confiance. So see you in the next video. So now let's go, guys.